What's up guys, TechShan here back with another cool tech episode. When it comes to tech, each one's needs are different. In this episode too, I have some amazing, handy and interesting products that you'll totally love. Sit back and enjoy, and make sure to smash the like button if you end up liking this video. And hey, don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you guys to miss the next amazing episode. I hope you guys will do it. Alright, first product on my list is something very handy. Meet the LiveTech hard disk enclosure. This is a single enclosure that allows you to connect internal 3.5 inches and 2.5 inches SATA hard disks via USB to your desktop or laptop to clone, copy and secure files or even expand storage. It's as easy as plug and play. In the back you have the enclosure, power adapter and a USB 2 cable. And here is the enclosure, all plastic build. I have in fact featured a similar dock in one of my previous Cool Tech episodes. Alright, let me show you how to use this. First, just slide here and open the case. Then slide in your 3.5 inches hard disk and fix it in the slot. Or you can also connect your small 2.5 inches hard disk, or even you may connect SSDs. Once done, slide and close the enclosure. Then connect the power cable and power it up. Then connect it to your desktop or laptop using the USB cable provided. Switch on and bam! Now you can access the drive directly via USB. Cool, right? Works with both Windows and Mac computer and needs no drivers. If it's going to be a new hard disk, make sure to format it from the disk manager. So, if you have a spare hard disk lying around or do not want to buy an expensive external drive, just get this dock and it's easy to use. I grabbed it for around Rs 850 in the lightning deal on Amazon. A very handy gadget if you're someone who wants to store or back up a lot of stuff and swap drives. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is a super handy gadget to have at home. Check out the Power Cube, a multi-port power socket, a super solid cube-shaped adapter that can convert a single power outlet into multiple ports so that you can connect several gadgets at once safely. It is a well-built solid cube that can handle max 2500 watts. You have 4 3-pin slots and 2 USB ports, which supports 5V 2A output. That is standard for most smartphones. Just plug in and switch on and you can connect multiple gadgets, devices, whatever, safely from a single power outlet. I have been using this for a while and I'm happy with it. Definitely a compact handy adapter to own.
Shandy and compact comparison are like curd rice and pickle. They go very well. Exclusive TechShan comparison time.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the Power Cube is approximately in the size of a 100-gram Banjara's Aloe Vera Skin Moisturizing Gel Pack. What? Yep, crazy but true. Another exclusive TechShan comparison. For around Rs 650, a must-have product to own. Can be a good gift as well. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Okie dokie, next product on my list comes in handy during power cuts and other scenarios. Meet the Cobb Work Light. You guys loved the Cobb Light featured in my previous Cool Tech episode. This is something different but will come in super handy in different scenarios. The build is very good. All plastic yet sturdy. You can place it anywhere you want to. The handle on top helps carry around easily. It is super light in weight. Center you have 2 LEDs with different modes. One ring which can cover an entire room, and in the center torch style. A switch to turn on and off the lights and switch between different modes. You gotta see this thing in person. It is pretty bright to be honest. Apart from that, a few highlights to mention. You can charge the inbuilt battery using the USB cable in the box. Single charge can get you close to 3 hours of backup. Nice! Now to the best part. To the back, you have a solar panel. So when you're going outdoors, camping, picnic, whatever, you can carry this light with you and charge it using sunlight. Nice! But wait, there's one more. You have a USB slot that you can use as a mini power bank to do a quick top up to your phone during those emergency situations. Isn't that cool? Be it your home, bike storage, car boot, outdoor travel, this handy rechargeable Cobb Light will be super helpful. For around Rs 500, definitely a worthy product to own or can be a wonderful gift to someone. Wanna grab it? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is for music lovers. Meet the Clavier Super Bass in-ear earphones. A good quality wide earphones on a super low budget. Well, one of the best I've tested in this range. And here it is. Built-in design is surprisingly top-notch. Yup, you will say the same when you get this. Soft silicone ear tips, encapsulated wire, It also has an inline controller with a slide type volume control, a mic, and a single play pause pickup and calls button. The good part is you get a small carry case in the box, which is cool to have. Now coming to the audio quality, it overall has a balanced sound with a little over normal amplified bass. Bass lovers, you will like it. Not too much bam boom, but it's good. I personally like the sound output. Call quality was also very good. For around Rs 299, definitely a worthy pair of in-ear earphones that you can consider. Can be a good gift as well. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, time for the special product of this video. This time I have something that many were asking me. A feature packed round dial smartwatch. Check out the More Life Sense, a feature packed Bluetooth 5 smartwatch with all the features you would expect. And here it is. First look, yes, it is a round shaped smartwatch. Well built like an analog watch. I love it. Center, you have the 33mm 240p resolution full touch color display. Side buttons, a home plus power button, and to toggle between various sports mode. Back, the heart rate sensor and the charging point. Now coming to the strap, it is a combination of leather and silicone and looks premium. Comfortable to wear in the hand. And hey, you can connect third-party straps as well. If you don't like this leather strap, you also get another model of this watch with an all silicone strap. Nice. Now coming to the features, it has everything you'd expect from a smartwatch. Watch faces, yep, you have 50 plus faces to choose. Just pair it with the GloryFit app and you're good to go. Next you have steps, calories tracking, heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, music control, 24 exercise modes, weather, messages, stopwatch, settings with the usual stuff. Swipe from up and you have Find My Phone, brightness adjustment and settings. From the bottom, notification previews. And yes, it has raise to wake feature as well. Call notification, yep, you have it with rejection. Water, dust, no worries, it is IP68 water and dust resistant. So as said, you get all the usual stuff. Charging using the Snap-on magnetic charger is cool. It has an inbuilt 200 mAh battery which can get you about 4 to 5 days on a single charge. Overall, if you're looking for a more dynamic, professional looking round style smartwatch, then for around Rs 3,999, this is one thing you can definitely check out. Can be considered as a good gift as well. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. So that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe and I'll catch you guys in another exciting video. Until then,